just focus. Yabona uma ukule industry is very hard, but awukho umsebenzi o easy wherever you go. Awuyikho into okuthiwa is easy. Just do it. Uvuke kusasa wenzile wenze ngazi ukuthi awuzange wenza, just do it again, just add more effort almost every day. Is that what I'm doing?
Yes.
I'm 58 years old, but I'm still doing it.
Strong.
And ngisathi angakenzi ngisafuna ukwenza more. Kuthiwa uzongithola ngikuwo wonke amagigi ngazi ukuthi nangenza kangcono. No. Focus, don't lose focus. No matter ungadibana noma yipi circumstances or a situation ungadibana nayo, but don't lose focus. Just focus. Mina noma ngenza noma yini, I'm directing Shaka Ilembe in music. Ngenza ezinye izinto, but I can't lose my focus on Dr. Buselapi. Dr. Buselapi ngihlala ngenze so. Noma ngakwenza ukuthi ngiyabuya ngi focus. Let's focus. Bonita kuzokwenzeka yini.